In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off iCloud mail categorization. If you've noticed your inbox being split into tabs like primary, transactions, updates, and promotions, there isn't a single master switch in the mail apps to disable that. The way to stop it is through the iCloud Mail web interface, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. First, open a web browser on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac and go to iCloud.com/mail. Sign in with your Apple ID to open the iCloud Mail web app. Once you're in, look for the gear icon, which is the Settings button. Click that, then choose Settings from the menu that appears. In the Settings panel, select Categories. Here, you'll see the option to turn off categorization. Click that to disable the feature that automatically sorts incoming messages into those category tabs. After you do this, new emails will stop being routed into categories like promotions or updates and will instead arrive in your main inbox without those labels. Give it a moment and refresh the page if needed to see the change take effect for new mail. If you actually like the organization but don't want to see the category tabs across the top, there's another option. Go back to the same settings area and choose Hide Categories. This keeps categorization working in the background but removes the visual tabs from your view, so your inbox looks simpler while iCloud Mail still quietly groups things behind the scenes. There are a few important things to know before you decide. Turning categorization off only affects future sorting. Messages you already received and that are sitting in promotions, updates, or other categories will stay where they are unless they're reset or moved manually. Also, even when you turn off categorization, Apple may still use some basic, non-intrusive organization in the background to improve mail handling, but it won't place new messages into those visible category tabs. If you don't immediately see the categories option, make sure you're in the Mail web app itself and not the broader iCloud account settings page. And if the gear icon isn't responding, a quick page reload or trying another modern browser can help. Remember, this method applies whether you're on an iPhone, iPad, or Mac because the change is made at iCloud.com and applies to your account. That's it. Use Turn Off Categorization to stop future sorting or hide categories to keep the feature but remove the tabs. Choose the one that best fits the way you like to manage your inbox.